ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 204। आकाशे व्यभिचारम आशंक्य आह in टीका। In Akasha there is Vyabhichara. Purva Pakshi says, in Akasha there is Nityatvam. What are the previous line you see? On the Purva Prishta. Anitya Gunashrayam va Nityam na Drishtam. This is how you have to understand. Shabda Guna is Nitya or Anitya? And Akasha means they understand it is Nitya. So now Siddhanti says in this line, Akashe Vyabhichara. In Purva Pakshi says in Akasha there is Vyabhichara. Siddhanti says, Nacha Akasha Agamavadi Bir Nityataya Avagamyate. Agamavadi means those who take Agama as Pramana, means us. Siddhanti, Vedantins, we don't take Akasha as Nitya. Agamavadi bihi asma bihi. Akasha Nityataya na avagamyate. कर्मणि प्रयोग आकाश आगमवादी भी तृतीया बहुवचन आकाशस्य नित्यत्वं चेत् आत्मनः आकाश संभूतः इत्यादि श्रुति विरोध स्यात्. इफ आकाश was nitya, then by Shruti Tasmad vai Tasmad Atmana Akasha Sambhuta, this Shruti Virodha would be there. Iti Suchaitum Agamavadibihi. So Agamavadibihi means those who quote such Shastra which says Akasha is Anitya. Parmanvadau Vyabhicharam Ashankya Aha. In Parmanu, according to Tarkika, Parmanu is Nitya. But the guna in the if the gunas also are nitya according to them, right? Parmanu is nitya. That's why they say this rupa, rasagandha, etc. In Parmanu they are nitya, and in the other padarthas they are anitya. So in Parmanu there is Vyabhichara. Siddhanti says, Nacha anyo drashtanto asti. There is no other example only where you can show something which is nitya as dravya and its guna is anitya. This you cannot show. Now you see some defects are shown here in Tarka. Na tavad anavaha santi. Triyanu ketara sattve mana bhavat. This is Raghunath Shiromani ji in among Naiyayikas. He himself has said this. They say there is no need to go up to Anu. Trianuka itself is enough. So Trianuka itara sattve mana bhavat. There is no pramanam that there is something called Anu. Trenuka itself is there. This Nyaya Siddhant Muktavali, yesterday and today, this topic itself is going on. So, Anu na santi, there is no Paramanu itself. Actually, by Anu, they refer to Anu as well as Dvyanuk, both. Because their Parimana, they will say it is like Anu. Dvyanuk also is like Anu. And Dishaha, this, according to Tarka Sangraha, means according to Nayayikas, how many Dravyas are there? 9. Disha and Akasha, they are considered separately. But if you ask a question, why they are different? What is the difference between Akasha and Disha? That is what here also Vedanta is asking. Dishasya Akasha antarbhavati. In Akasha, Dik avachinna Akasha, you just use Akasha. It need not be separate Dravya. And Shabda Guna can be in Akasha, so you don't need two separate things. Then Kalaha. Kala, they say Kala is also Nitya. Here it is said, Kalastu sarve nimesha jagnire. Kalaha is producing all these. Means Kala is understood in the form of Nimesha, means Kshana. And they all are Utpanna. Means they have Utpatti Nasha. So Jagnire, Jani Pradurbhave. This is lit lakara. In these forms, they have Irej Pratyaya. Irej. So like Labdhatu. What will be the Rupam? Lebhe, Lebhate, Lebhire. So the Ekvachanam will have A and Bahuvachanam will have Irej. Lebhe, Lebhate, Rebhire. Pede, Pedate, Pedire. Here also Jagnye, Jagnyate, Jagnire. Like that. Ityadi Shrutehe. Utpattiman Mano api Annamayam. And they say mind is also Nityam. Who says? Tarkikas, Nayayika. They say mind is Nitya, Mana is Nitya. Here what do Vedanti say? It is not. Why? Annamayam hi Somya Manaha, Apomaya Pranaha, Tejomayi Vak iti. So Annamayam Manaha. It is Annamaya. That's why if you eat street food, etc., or junk food, your mind will become like that. After eating those things, you don't think that you will be able to do Sukshma Chintanam. Why? Annamayam hi Somya Manaha. You should eat sattvic and you should also eat in limited. Too much sattvic is also not good. Shruti Prasiddham. So many things are shown, Akasha and Dik are two not needed. Akasha is Anitya, Mana is Anitya, Kala is Anitya. Anu, in that there is no Pramana. Trianuka itself. Trianuka means, how is Trianuka formed? According to their Siddhanta, one Anu, when two Paramanus come together, it will form one Dvyanuka. When three Dvyanukas come together, it will form one Trianuka. Shruti Prasiddham. Ato na kvachit vyabhichara iti bhava. Siddhanti says there is no vyabhichara. No vyabhichara means all of them are anitya. What you call as nitya, then you show they have some guna which is anitya. We say they all are anitya. So there is no question of them being nitya. And Paramanu, there is no such thing called Paramanu itself. Yasmin Vikriyamane. Now this point I was discussing with some of you earlier. Yasmin Vikriyamane tad eva idam. इति बुद्धिर्न विहन्यते तदपि नित्यम इति न्यायेन परिणामवादी शंकते. Parinamvadi means Sankhya. What are the four Srishtivadas? What is the shloka? How many of you remember? Arambhavadaha Kanabhakshapakshaha. Complete the shloka. Arambhavadaha Kanabhakshapakshaha Sanghatavadastu Bhadantapakshaha Sankhyaadipakshaha Parinamavadaha Parinamavado Vedantapakshastu Vivartavadaha. Write down. This is there in Sankshepa Shariraka. We have seen. Oh, okay, it is there, no? Sankshepa. Then I don't need to write. It is there in Sankshepa Shariraka, but it has to be there with you also. I will share this shloka, but you or somebody can share. I'm sure everybody, a lot of people know it already. But you have to memorize this. The same idea tomorrow in Naishkarma Siddhi class will come. Again, I will ask the shloka. So, Parinamavadi is who? Sankhya. What they say, Yasmin Vikriyamane. Let us say this Pataha. This Pata was there yesterday. In this Pata, there is Vikara. From yesterday, it has definitely become slightly cleaner today. So, there is Vikara. Or dirtier. That is also Vikara. Or it was getting some heat, let us say. So, it became little worn out because the threads loosen, when there's too much heat and all. But what is our buddhi? Tadeva idam. What was there yesterday, same thing is there, even though there is vikara. This buddhi na vihanyate. This buddhi is not destroyed. Means this buddhi doesn't go away. That this is same. Every day we see our body. Every day it is going through vikara. And we say, I am the same. We are very happy to see our face in the mirror, even though it is vikari. Like you see, all this is growing, all this, right? Vikara is there. But how do I think? I don't get surprised when I see this face in the mirror and say, oh, who is this? I say, Tadeva idam. What should happen is, I should get a shock that this is not who was there yesterday. And I should run away from that mirror. But nothing happens. We are so used to this. See, this Sankhya, Nyaya, Darshanas, they are showing what we assume in our day-to-day life and function. So we assume there are many Atmas because there are many bodies. So they have taken that as a stand. And all these Parinama, like their Drashtanta is Dugdha becoming Dadi. Dugdha Parmanu will become Dadi Parmanu. Because now you cannot go back to that Dugdha. Milk, you will never get it back. So in that Nyaya Vaisheshika, they have some difference among them. Parinamvadi Shankate. Vikriyamanam api tat pratyaya anivrittehe nityameva iti chet. Even though something is subject to modification, it has vikara. Vikriyamanam api tat pratyaya anivrittehe. Tat pratyaya means in tika it is given. Tadeva idam iti pratyaya. This is that same thing. That pratyaya doesn't go away. Therefore, it is nityam eva. Siddhanti says, no, it is not nityam. Nityam is only Brahma. Everything else is anityam only. Even if erroneously you may use this pratyaya, oh, it is same thing. But it is not. So, Siddhanti has one Kutastha Abadhya in Trikala. Other Pakshas, like they will say, this Parmanu is Nitya and Akasha and Kal, Dik, everything is Nitya. But they don't have any Shruti Pramanam for that. That's why we are able to challenge them. टीका विक्रियां वदता द्रव्यस्य अवयव अन्यथात्वं वाच्य तदेव तस्य अनित्यत्वम् अत्यन्ताभावस्य अप्रामाणिकत्वेन दुर्वचत्वात् इति परिहरति. विक्रियां वदता परिणामवादिना, those who say there is modification, विक्रियां वदता द्रव्यस्य अवयव अन्यथात्वं वाच्य, then they will have to say that dravya avayava, they have become different. Anyathatvam, that is like dugdha avayavas have become dadhi avayavas now. Tadeva tasya anityatvam. This is the anityatva, that it has not remained the same, it has changed. Atyanta abhavasya apramanikatvena, and the atyanta bhava of a thing is apramanika. अत्यंता भाव इन 6 नंबर टिप्पणी एवकार व्यावर्त्यम अत्यंता भाव. नित्यम एव, that eva is also eliminated by using atyanta bhava. Atyanta bhava is used by shunyavadi. This concept I am assuming you know, otherwise just pay attention. In brief I will explain. Normally we put a seed to get a sprout. So for example, a mango sprout, it comes from what? A mango seed. So what is the upadana karanam? The mango seed. For the mango sprout, it's the upadanam. They will say it is the abhava of mango seed. Why? Because mango seed gets destroyed and produces the sprout. Then the sprout gets destroyed and produces the plant. Plant gets destroyed and produces the tree. So the destruction is there before the next creation. Therefore, the utpatti is from abhava. Abhava is shunya. Therefore, everything is from shunya. This is how they think. So here it is said, atyanta bhava itself is apramanika. In tika, in bhashya, dravyasya avayava anyathatva vyatirekena vikriya anupapatte. Vikriya means modification. Vikriya upapatti means siddhi. You cannot do unless you accept modifications in the dravya. Dravyasya avayava. Avayava means parts. Unless you accept the modification in the parts of the dravya, vikriya upapatti you cannot do. You cannot prove that actually there is a modification. So in this case, because they will think there is atyanta bhava, we will say, means Sankhya will say, from milk, Dadhi has come. Shunyavadi will say, from abhava, Dadhi has come. Atyanta bhava, because milk is gone, destroyed. Atyanta bhava came. From there, Dadhi has come. So here, that's why Siddhant Tikakari has said, Atyanta bhava itself is apramanika. Because so many other questions will come. These are discussed in Chandogya and all, those who have studied. Here when the prakarana comes, we will see. Further, आत्मनः सक्रियत्वं सावयवत्वं वा अस्तु तथापि न अनित्यत्वम् इति स्याद्वादी शंकते. आत्मनः सक्रियत्वं, atma is sakriya means active, having kriya sahita, and savayavatvam, avayava sahita. Atma has both kriya as well as avayava. Let it be there. Still atma is not anitya, na anityatvam iti syadvadi shankade. Syadvadi is Jaina. Syadvadi is syadasti, syan nasti, syad asti nasti, syad asti अवक्तव्यश्च, स्यान् नास्ति अवक्तव्यश्च, स्याद् अस्ति नास्ति अवक्तव्यश्च. Like that, 6, and there is one more. 7 things they say. Saptabhangi Nyaya they have. These are Syadvadi. Syad means maybe. Maybe it is there. Like that. Savayavatve api. Savayavatve api nityatvam iti chet. Let it be savayava, still it is nitya. So Nayayika will not agree. Yatra yatra savayavatvam tatra tatra anityatvam. यत् सावयवम तद अवयव संयोग कृतम यथा पटादि तथा सति संयोगस्य विभाग अवसानत्वात् अवयव विभागे द्रव्यनाशो अवश्यं भावी इति दूषयति. यत् सावयवम तद अवयव संयोग कृतम. Savayavam means that which is created with the help of all the parts. Avayava sanyoga kritam. See, if we understand logically some of these things, we will never be shaken from Advaita Siddhanta. All this discussion is for that. That never ever we should, somebody says something, we say, that is possible, that is possible. No such thing. Yat savayavam tad avaya sanyoga kritam. Yatha patadi, pata is savayava. It has tantu, etc. And like avayava in the sense, right side, left side, middle, center. In Atma, there is no, what is the right side of Atma? Even though it is Ananta, we don't accept this kind of division, that there is right side of Atma and left side and front side and back side and top side and bottom side. This avayava concept, vibhaga concept itself is not there in Atma. And that's why through buddhi, if you start thinking, what will be that Atma? You are that Atma. Don't think some Atma. Yatha patadi tatha sati sanyogasya vibhaga avasanatvat. Any sanyoga will culminate finally in vibhaga. So if things have come together, rest assured, they will all fall apart. If tantus have come together to produce a pata, vibhaga will happen. Vibhaga avasanatvat. Avayava vibhage dravyanasho avashyam bhavi iti dusha. So if my sharira is assembly of parts, so you have to be nischinta that only date is not known. Everything else is certain. Everything else means you know what everything else. Iti chetna bhashya. Savayavasya avayava sanyoga purvakatve sati vibhago papattehe. A savayava vastu is sanyoga purvaka. Things have come together. Then vibhaga is also upapanna. Then only vibhaga is possible because there is sanyoga. यत् सावयवम तद अवयव संयोग पूर्वकम इति न व्याप्ति. Now somebody is doing shanka. Yat savayavam tad avayava sanyoga purvakam. There is no such vyapti. Why he gives vyabhichara in this vyapti? See, in when they use the word vyapti, you have to show vyabhichara. When there is a lakshana, then you have to say avyapti or ativyapti or asambhav. In anumana, don't use the word avyapti, ativyapti, etc. And in vyapti, whatever is the hetu abhasa, such things, that is what you have to use. So there is vyabhichara or anaikantikatva. सावयवेषु एव वज्रादिषु अवयव संयोग पूर्वकत्वे प्रमाण भावात् इति शंकते. Vajra means actually diamond. In diamond, there are parts. How do you know? Because you can break it. But that doesn't mean it is formed with parts. This is what Purvapakshi is saying. सावयवेषु एव वज्रादिषु अवयव संयोग पूर्वकत्वे प्रमाणाभावात् इति शंकते. वज्रादिषु अदर्शनात् इति चेत्. But you know, these big diamonds and all, so they are, I think, combination of things only which have come together, and then they remove unwanted parts so that it has nice shape and shine and reflection of light, etc., angles. So it is savayava, and it is avayava sanyoga purvaka only. Anumanam is done in tika. Vimatam avayava sanyoga purvakam savayavatvat patavat iti anumanena pariharati. Siddhanti is giving anumana. This also we should know who is giving anumanam. I said, otherwise I should have asked the question. What is the vyapti in this anumanam? Yatra yatra savayavatvam tatra tatra avayava sanyoga purvakatvam. This is the vyapti. What is vimatam? Huh? No, what is vimatam? Online, what is vimatam? Vimatam word have so many times we have seen in Hanumanam. Viruddhamatam is Viruddhamatam here.
यत्र यत्र अवयवत्वं तत्र तत्र न अवयव पूर्वकत्वं.
Here vimatam means is a paksha. You have to give only one word for that. What did you say?
Vipaka.
No, Vajra. Vajra only. Vajra is the point of contention, right? Purvapakshi gave Drishtanta as Vajra. He said Vajra is Savayava, but it is not Avayava Sanyoga Purvaka. So now that has become Paksha for Siddhanta. And like that, any other. So Vajra Adi, you can say. Vajra Adi, Avayava Sanyoga Purvaka, Savayavatvat, Patavat. They all have Savayavatvam. And therefore, they are also Avayava Sanyoga Purvaka. In Bhashya, na Anumeyatvat Sanyoga Purvatvasya Anumeyatvat Sanyoga Purvatvasya Yad Yad Sanyoga Purvakam Yad Yad Savayavam Tat Tat Sanyoga Purvakam. So, what is the meaning of Anumeyatvat Sanyoga Purvatvasya? It is Sadhya. Sanyoga Purvatva is Sadhya whose Siddhi is done through Anumanam. Right? So it is Anumeya. तस्मात् न आत्मनो दुःखित्वादि अनित्य गुणाश्रयत्व उपपत्तिः. Bhashyakar doesn't lose the main focus. So what was the point of discussion? Dukkham is not in Atma. Anytime you feel I am dukhi, don't start thinking I know who is responsible for my dukkham. First, what should I think? I am not dukhi. I am the sakshi of dukhi. We saw those Vartik shlokas. Dukhi bhavit yadi bhavet sakshi, tas sakshi dukhino bhavet. Sakshi cannot have dukkham. Sakshino dukhita nasti. Dukkhinah sakshita. Ayukta. This topic started from there. Dukkhinah sakshita ayukta. Sakshino dukkhita tatha. See further now. In टीका आत्मनो मनस संयोग जन्य दुखादि गुणवत्वे सावयवत्व सक्रियत्व अनित्यत्वादि प्रसंगम प्रतिपाद्य प्रकृतम उपसंहरति. तस्मात् आत्मनः मनस संयोग जन्य दुखादि गुणवत्वे. Dukhadi gunas are there in mind or Atma according to Nayayika, in Atma, and produced because of Atma Manas Sanyoga. Atma Manas Sanyoga is Samavai Karana or Asamavai Karana for Dhyana, Ichha, Sukha, Dukha, etc.
Samavai Karana.
Asamavai Karana, not Samavai Karana. Atma is Samavai Karana. Atma Manas Sanyoga will be Asamavai Karanam. मन संयोग जन्य दुखादि गुणवत्वे सावयत्व सक्रियत्व अनित्यत्वादि प्रसंगम प्रतिपाद्य. Having done this प्रतिपादनम, you see this line, did we see before?
Yes, in page 203, Bhashya, third line.
सावयवत्व, विक्रियत्व, विक्रियावत्व, अनित्यत्व. All three are given. See in Bhashya, page 203, third line. मन संयोगजत्वे अपि आत्मनि दुःखस्य सावयवत्व, विक्रियावत्व, अनित्यत्व प्रसंगात्. See the conclusion by Anand Giriji on page 205. सावयवत्व, सक्रियत्व, अनित्यत्वादि प्रसंगम प्रतिपाद्य. आत्मनो मनस. This is the way of thinking. Acharya has done upakrama. Acharya is going to do upasamhara. But Tikakara is not losing the thread anytime. He knows what is the prakarana, and whenever upasamhara is done, he knows this upasamhara is for what. He repeats the same line. Prakritam upasamharati. And we also, in our discussion, whatever 1, 2, 3 pages are gone, we should not lose this thread. I know some of you are attending lot of sessions, which is good. But certain things we should note. This increases our respect for Tikakara. See, when do we have respect somewhere? Somebody can do something which I cannot do. and what they are doing is sattvic, then my head will bow down there. What they are able to do, I am not able to do. This is where I understand they have greater punya, they have greater upasana bala, etc. So whenever I see this, that somebody, Acharya say or anybody, they have something which I don't have, and I'm trying, but I'm not there yet. And it is sattvic. If they have something rajasic and I don't have, or tamasic, then that is different. But sattvic guna, if I don't have, I must have respect. This is what will make my progress. Bhagavan Bhashyakar does namaskar to all our acharyas. Yairime Guru Vipurvam Padavakya Pramanatah. Same shloka in Upadesha Sahasri in 17th chapter also he has given. In different way, just changing some words. To tell us that any acharya who does this kind of vyakhyanam with Padavakya Pramana, they all are vandaniya. Tasmat Atmano Dukkhadi Anitya Gunashrayatva Upapatti. Na Atmano Dukkhadi Anitya Gunashrayatva Upapatti. Atma cannot have Dukkhadi. They are Anitya Guna, Atma is Nitya. Atmano Anartha Dvamsa Artha Shastrarambha Anyathanupapatya Samsarita Iti Arthapatya Shankate. Arthapatti Pramana. Purvapakshi will say this. In this line we will understand later. First just understand this one. So he is asking, Purvapakshi is asking Siddhanti, according to you, Atma is samsari or asamsari? So Siddhanti will say Atma is asamsari. If Atma is asamsari, Shastra is for whom? This is his question. But he is using Arthapatti Pramana. Atmano Anartha Dvamsartha Shastrarambha. Shastra Arambha is for Anartha Dvansa. Anartha Dvansartha. Second Artha, what is the meaning of that? Prayojanam. Dvansa of Anartha. Anartha means, there Artha means Sukham. Anartha means Dukkham. Dukkha Dvansa Prayojanam. Kasya? Shastrarambhasya. Shastrarambha Prayojanam is Dukkha Dvansa, right? Which is assumed in Atma. If you say Atma is asamsari, Atma doesn't have Dukkham, then Anyatha Anupapatya, Anyatha Anupapatti means Shastra Arambhasya Anyatha Anupapatti. We are having Shastra, we are having scriptures only to remove Dukkham from Atma. If Atma itself has no Dukkham, Shastra Arambha is Vyartha. In Shastra, having Shastra itself is Vyartha. Or you asking people to study, etc., is of no use. Shastrarambha Anyathanupapatya Sansarita iti Arthapatya Shankate. This is the Arthapatti Pramana. Diva Bhunjanasya Ratri Bhojanam Vina Pinatva Anupapatya Ratri Bhojanam Shankate. Ratri Bhojan Kalpana. Right? You will do Ratri Bhojan Kalpana because he is fat and is not eating during the day. So like that, if Shastra is there and Atma is asamsari, then Shastra doesn't have prayojan. Because Shastra has prayojanam, Atma has to be samsari. This is what he is. Sansarita Atmanaha. अर्थापत्याशंकते परस्य अदुःखित्वे कहते हैं विल सी टुमारो नाउ ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।